morning, all the students. Standard 6th, subject English, unit number 6. What a wonderful word. In this last video, we learn about activity 4 in 5. Now go for the next activity, that is activity 6. So all the students, please open your English textbook, page number 49. First of all, you all have to understand with me carefully, and then you have to complete workbook exercise about unit 6, what a wonderful word. So here a legend described one Karni Mata's temple. It is most famous temple. Let's see. According to legend, a red temple near Bikaner dates back to the 4000s. Karni Mata, an incarnation of the god Durga, asked the dead god Yama to reincarnate the son of driving storyteller. Here, according to a legend, a red temple near Bikaner, Karni Mata's temple dates back to 4000. Karni Mata is an incarnation of the god Durga. Once, Yama refused to help, so Karni Mata promised that all male storytellers, members of the Charan caste, would be reincarnated as rat in her temple. When they die as rats, they are once more reincarnated as member of the Dipavats family. They become Karni Mata's descendants, meaning of children. Hence, the Karni Mata temple was built in the early 90,000 to honor Karni Mata and her fury reincarnate devotees. It means people who worship a certain god. So here she asked that god Yama, हम बोल सकते हैं, to give the son of grieving. Grieving, it means feeling very sad because some unusually a close one has died. Storyteller his life back, but Yam refused to help. So Karni Mata promised that all male storytellers, members of the Charan caste, which caste? Charan caste, would take birth as rats in her temple. When they die as a rat, जब वो सब person they die as a rats, again they will take birth as a members of the Dipavats family. They become Karni Mata's children. For this reason, the Karni Mata's temple was built in early 90,000 to honor Karni Mata's and her fury reincarnate devotees. Okay, then this temple is home to around 20,000 rats. They are fed by members of the existing Dipavats family. There are 513 Dipavats families, though most of the temple devotees work at the temples in shift based on lunar cycle. Some families live in temple permanently, taking care of the rats and sweeping the floor of excrement and food scrub. It means this temple is home for around 20,000 rats. Existing Dipavats family, almost 530 in numbers. Feed them. Most of the temple devotees works at temple in Swift based on lunar circle. Some families live in temple permanently. They take care of the rats and sweep the floor of excrement and food scrubs. The rats are known as kabas or little children. They eat grain, milk, coconut shells from large metal bowls. Water that rats have drunk from considered holy, and eating the rats leftover is said to bring good fortune. According to the temple laws, if one of the rat is accidentally killed, it must be replaced with a rat made of a silver or gold. So, this is a information of Bikaner temple. Karni Matas. It is a incarnation of the god Durga. So it is a world famous place. I hope you all are understand very well. And now go for the next activity, that is activity number 8. Page number 151. Older than dinosaurs. The sequoia is one of the tallest trees on earth. It is an evergreen tree and lives for around 12,000, 18,000 years or more. It reaches up to 379 feet in height without the roots. The oldest known gained sequoia tree is about 3,500 years old. It is the world's tallest tree of the earth, and this tree is world tallest tree. It reaches up 379 feet in height. The sequoia existed even before dinosaurs walked the earth. The atmosphere was wetter. Wetter यानी कि जो बारिश के टाइम, रेन के टाइम जो, और सुबह के टाइम जो भेज वाला हम एटमॉस्फेयर बोल सकते हैं, ऐसा एटमॉस्फेयर. There was a lot more carbon dioxide in the air. These help the sequoias to grow the way they do. Gradually, these conditions change and they become limited to the area we now know as California in US. This tree were discovered in 18,000 centimeters by 19,050 centimeter. A large number of these trees were being cut for their strong timber. As a result, they are now classified as being endangered, यानी कि dangerous. Thus, we have places like a Sequoia National Park in Sierra Nevada, California. It is a place of California. It is home of many of these great sequoia. In fact, it is home to 5 out of 10 largest trees in the world. Another tree is the giant like a sequoia. It is an incense cedar. It grows up to a height of 150 feet and has a special bark that keeps decay and month away. Its leaves has a pleasant aroma, यानी कि उसकी जो स्मेल है वो pleasant यानी कि अच्छी है. And when it warm and surrounding are filled with this pleasant aroma. Other trees that belong to these families are Coast redwood, California redwood, and Giant's redwood. John Moore, who named in Sequoia, wrote of the species in about 1870. Do behold the king in his glory, King Sequoia. Behold, behold, seems all I can say. It is information about world's tallest tree, Sequoia and Giant. So it's all information about two trees. So here, older than dinosaurs. Dinosaurs से भी ओल्ड ट्री ये माने जाते हैं और उसकी हाइट कितनी है, एटमॉस्फेयर कौन सा है, वो सब इंफॉर्मेशन इसमें दी गई है कि वो डिस्कवर इन 18,000 सेंटीमीटर एंड टॉलेस्ट ट्री, एवरग्रीन ट्री, atmosphere wetter and warmer, then there was loads of many carbon dioxide in the air. So it is a important information about the Sequoia tree. I hope you all are understand very well, and then you have to complete workbook exercise about this two activity. And now go for the next activities in the next video. Thank you.